So guys, you want to make sure that your TV is up to date. So you want to go to settings, scroll down and then select support. Then you want to click on system update and then select check firmware upgrade. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your TV is on the latest version. Next, you want to make sure that your time and date is synced up. So now, go to system, click on time. Make sure that your date and time is correct. So you can try both auto synchronization or you can turn it off and then set your date and time manually. So you want to make sure you have both of those selected and then the problem should be fixed. Once you do all of that, the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then your TV is just simply out of date for that specific web browser to run on your TV. The only thing you could do is either install a different web browser, which unfortunately my TV does not have. The other way is to upgrade to a newer version of your TV. In my case, I'm using a Hisense TV. I need to get a newer version of a Hisense TV.